Over 60? Drink these 3 teas to rebuild muscle and walk strong. Again. Have you found yourself feeling a bit less steady on your feet lately, with your legs not quite carrying you with the same effortless power they once did? Perhaps you've noticed a quicker onset of fatigue, or a subtle wobbliness that makes you pause before navigating stairs or uneven surfaces. Rest assured, you are far from alone in this experience, and it's a phenomenon that extends beyond the simple passage of time. Emerging scientific inquiry is shedding light on how certain natural beverages, specifically teas, can be powerful allies in your journey to regaining leg strength, enhancing blood flow, mitigating inflammation, and invigorating your energy levels. Remarkably, these benefits can be achieved without the reliance on pharmaceuticals or demanding exercise regimens. The beauty of these solutions lies in their inherent simplicity, safety, and robust scientific backing. Consider, for instance, a comprehensive long-term study conducted in Japan. This extensive research followed a vast cohort of older adults and observed a compelling correlation. Individuals who consistently incorporated green tea into their daily routine demonstrated a significantly higher likelihood of preserving muscle strength and maintaining their balance as they entered their later years. This isn't merely an abstract scientific finding, it's a principle exemplified in real life. Take the inspiring case of Hideichi Miyazaki, a legendary Japanese sprinter. Even as he surpassed the remarkable age of 100, he attributed his continued ability to run to a multitude of healthy habits, prominently featuring his daily cup of green tea. In this exploration, we will delve into the top 3 teas specifically chosen for their exceptional capacity to bolster leg strength and amplify energy in individuals over the age of 60. Each of these teas has undergone rigorous vetting and fact-checking by a dedicated team of health researchers, ensuring the information you receive is both accurate and trustworthy. And for those who remain engaged until the very end, a special revelation awaits. A surprising tea ingredient, perhaps one you haven't encountered before, which research indicates possesses a potent ability to invigorate circulation and combat muscle fatigue in older adults. This is an insight you will not want to miss. So let us embark on this journey together. Our first potent contender is ginger turmeric tea. Imagine the comforting warmth and soothing embrace of a steaming cup of ginger turmeric tea. This unassuming beverage holds the potential to be a transformative cornerstone for individuals over 60 seeking to revitalize their leg strength and experience a natural surge of energy. If you've experienced that disconcerting heaviness in your legs during walks, or if the exertion of ascending a flight of stairs leaves you feeling depleted, this tea might swiftly ascend to the status of a cherished daily ritual. The remarkable efficacy of this tea stems from the synergistic power of its core ingredients, ginger and turmeric. These are 2 of nature's most formidable anti-inflammatory roots. When brought together in a tea, they do more than simply impart a comforting and aromatic flavor. They actively engage in the crucial task of reducing the inflammation that frequently leads to joint stiffness, persistent aches, and muscle exhaustion. For a significant number of seniors, the primary impediment to mobility isn't solely a decline in muscle mass, but also the persistent discomfort and swelling that can follow even the mildest physical activity. Ginger turmeric tea directly addresses the root cause of this problem. However, its benefits do not cease there. Ginger is replete with natural compounds known as gingerols. Scientific studies have consistently demonstrated that these compounds play a vital role in enhancing blood circulation. Picture your legs as hard-working, intricate machines. They necessitate a consistent and unimpeded flow of oxygen-rich blood to sustain their strength and facilitate the repair processes that occur after the daily stresses and strains they endure. When blood circulation begins to falter, your muscles are deprived of the essential nutrients they require, paving the way for fatigue and a sense of unsteadiness. The regular consumption of ginger tea can gently yet effectively promote improved blood flow, helping your legs feel more vital and enabling each step you take to be more assured and confident. Now, let us turn our attention to turmeric. This vibrant golden spice is a powerhouse of curcumin, a compound celebrated for its profound anti-inflammatory properties, its ability to protect muscle tissues from degeneration, and its supportive role in post-activity recovery. If you experience the disconcerting popping of your knees when you rise from a seated position or persistent soreness after even a brief stroll, curcumin can offer a welcome sense of calm and relief. By effectively reducing inflammation, your muscles are finally liberated to perform their intended functions, providing stability for your body, supporting your movements, and powering every action you undertake. An often overlooked benefit of this remarkable tea is its capacity to provide a gentle yet discernible energy boost. Unlike the sometimes jarring effect of coffee, which can lead to jitteriness, ginger naturally supports your metabolism. This means your body becomes more efficient at converting the food you consume into readily usable energy. Consequently, rather than succumbing to post-lunch sluggishness or feeling the urge for an afternoon nap, you might notice an uplift in alertness and a renewed sense of motivation. This enhanced energy could even inspire you to embark on that short walk or engage in simple leg stretches you've been intending to incorporate into your day. The preparation of this beneficial tea at home is wonderfully straightforward. You will require a few thin slices of fresh ginger root, approximately 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, or fresh turmeric if it is available to you, and hot water. Allow this mixture to steep for about 10 minutes. For enhanced absorption of curcumin, a crucial component of turmeric, a tiny pinch of black pepper is highly recommended. Finally, for a touch of sweetness and added flavor, a drizzle of honey or a squeeze of fresh lemon can be added. And there you have it, a simple yet profoundly healing tea, expertly crafted to support your leg health, invigorate your energy levels, and contribute to your overall well-being. While some individuals may experience noticeable benefits within a matter of days, for others, it might take a couple of weeks. However, the key to unlocking its full potential lies in consistent daily consumption. A single cup per day, particularly when enjoyed in the morning, can work wonders in enhancing the feeling of your legs and sustaining your energy throughout the day. The traditional wisdom of many cultures attests to the power of this blend. In Indian households, for example, ginger and turmeric tea has been a staple for generations, utilized to maintain joint flexibility and alleviate everyday discomforts. Even modern-day athletes, such as the renowned NBA player Stephen Curry, have publicly acknowledged their use of turmeric as an integral part of their recovery protocols. While the demands of professional athleticism may be beyond our everyday scope, incorporating a cup of this revitalizing tea into your daily life can offer a similar, albeit gentler form of support for your muscles and joints. Therefore, if you are genuinely committed to strengthening your legs, diminishing pain, and introducing a natural, uplifting boost to your energy reserves, ginger turmeric tea represents one of the most accessible and enjoyable starting points. Moving onward, we arrive at the invigorating world of ginseng green tea. If you've been feeling a pervasive sense of drain, as if your legs falter halfway through the day, or if that vital spark needed to keep moving seems elusive, this tea might be precisely what your body has been silently requesting. Ginseng green tea functions as a gentle yet effective awakening for your entire system, encompassing your muscles, your brain, and, crucially, those weary legs. The extraordinary potency of this blend arises from the harmonious combination of two exceptionally powerful botanicals. Firstly, we have green tea, a beverage brimming with antioxidants and natural compounds known to energize the body. Secondly, we introduce ginseng, a root that has been revered for centuries in traditional medicinal practices for its efficacy in combating fatigue, building strength, and restoring overall vitality. You might wonder specifically how ginseng contributes to the health of your legs. Ginseng is widely recognized for its adaptogenic properties, which essentially means it empowers your body to better manage stress. Age surprisingly places a daily toll on our muscles and joints, creating a form of internal stress. Ginseng works to alleviate this internal burden, fostering resilience within your body so that your legs no longer feel like adversaries with every movement. But the advantages extend further. Scientific research indicates that ginseng possesses the remarkable ability to enhance muscle performance and endurance. It aids your muscles in utilizing oxygen with greater efficiency, which translates directly into improved stamina and a diminished sense of fatigue. Envision yourself moving through your home, effortlessly ascending stairs or completing errands without feeling utterly depleted afterward. This is the tangible difference that consistent ginseng consumption can facilitate over time. The contribution of green tea to this blend is equally significant. When paired with ginseng, the array of benefits multiplies. Green tea is abundantly rich in catechins, potent antioxidants that actively combat the damaging effects of free radicals within your muscles and joints. Why is this particularly important? Free radicals are unstable molecules that, over time, contribute to cellular damage, making your legs feel older and less capable than they truly are. The regular intake of green tea supports your body's intrinsic repair mechanisms, helping to maintain stronger muscles and more agile joints. Furthermore, unlike coffee, which can induce a rapid surge of energy followed by an equally rapid crash, green tea provides a smooth, sustained, and balanced uplift. This is largely due to L-theanine, an amino acid present in green tea that promotes a sense of calm while simultaneously enhancing alertness. When you combine this with the effects of ginseng, you achieve a steady, long-lasting boost that benefits both your physical and mental faculties. The mental enhancement is a crucial, yet often overlooked aspect. When your mind feels sharper and more energized, you naturally experience a greater inclination to move. This heightened motivation, in turn, encourages more frequent use of your legs, which gradually contributes to rebuilding their inherent strength. In essence, ginseng green tea not only fuels your body, but also ignites the mental drive that is essential for maintaining an active lifestyle. The preparation of this revitalizing tea at home is a simple process. Begin by boiling a cup of water, then allow it to cool slightly to avoid scalding the delicate tea leaves. Steep a green tea bag for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. Following this, introduce a few thin slices of fresh ginseng root, or if fresh root is unavailable, about a 1/4 teaspoon of dried ginseng powder. Allow this second infusion to steep for an additional 5 minutes. For a touch of sweetness, a small amount of honey or a squeeze of lemon can be added to enhance the flavor. And there you have it. A delicious, energizing cup designed to support your legs and invigorate your entire being. For optimal results, consistent daily consumption is recommended. This is not a rapid, superficial fix, but rather a gentle habit that works diligently in the background, steadily improving your energy levels, balance, and overall mobility over time. The scientific community has lent its support to these findings. Research published in the American Journal of Chinese Medicine, for instance, has indicated that older adults who regularly consume ginseng experience notable improvements in lower body strength and a reduction in fatigue during their daily activities. The evidence extends beyond laboratory studies. It is reflected in the lives of active individuals. Prominent figures such as the actor Jackie Chan, who continues to maintain a demanding physical presence in his 70s, have spoken about incorporating ginseng tea into their wellness routines to sustain their energy for physically challenging roles. If someone in their 7th decade can maintain such a high level of activity, it offers a compelling glimpse into the gentle yet profound boost this tea can provide for your everyday walks, stair climbs, or light exercises. Therefore, if you are weary of feeling weighed down and aspire to experience greater sharpness, improved mobility, and a stronger sense of control over your energy, ginseng green tea truly deserves a permanent place in your daily routine. It transcends the category of mere beverage. It serves as a daily encouragement towards a healthier, stronger version of yourself. Finally, we arrive at ashwagandha root tea, a truly exceptional tea that extends its benefits far beyond mere leg support. It plays a crucial role in restoring equilibrium, cultivating a sense of calm, and reinforcing the strength of your entire body. Ashwagandha, often referred to as Indian ginseng, is classified as an adaptogen, meaning it assists your body in adapting to and managing stress, fatigue, and the cumulative wear and tear associated with aging. For individuals in their later years, this adaptive capacity is of paramount importance. As we age, our muscles don't solely weaken due to a reduction in physical activity. They are also profoundly influenced by chronic stress, inadequate sleep, and hormonal shifts. Hormones such as cortisol, the primary stress hormone, and testosterone, which significantly impacts energy levels, perform at its optimal capacity. Ashwagandha also offers crucial support for nerve health, which is intrinsically linked to the sensation and function of your legs when walking or standing. If you have experienced feelings of shakiness, unsteadiness, or a lack of full control over your leg movements, compromised neuromuscular connections may be a contributing factor. Ashwagandha helps to strengthen these vital connections, thereby improving coordination and responsiveness. Furthermore, if you find yourself struggling with sleep, this tea truly shines. Consuming it in the evening can help to quiet the mind, reduce nighttime anxiety, and promote deeper, more restorative sleep. Enhanced sleep quality is intrinsically linked to improved muscle recovery, as our muscles undergo their most significant repair processes during rest. Without adequate sleep, the body's capacity to rebuild muscle strength is severely hampered, regardless of the quality of one's diet. The preparation of ashwagandha root tea is quite versatile. You can find ashwagandha root in dried pieces, as a powder, or even in convenient tea bags. For the most potent and pure benefits, the dried root is often considered the superior choice. Use approximately 1 teaspoon of the dried root, simmering it gently in water for a duration of 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the liquid and enjoy it warm. For those who prefer a sweeter profile, adding cinnamon or a touch of honey can be delightful. Ashwagandha possesses a subtly earthy, nutty flavor that pairs beautifully with warm spices. Some individuals find that drinking it in the morning provides a sense of sustained calm and steady energy throughout the day, while others prefer it in the evening as a means to relax and promote muscle recovery during sleep. Regardless of the timing, the key to unlocking its full potential lies in consistency, making it a regular part of your daily ritual to ensure your body receives unwavering support. The realm of holistic wellness offers ample inspiration. Esteemed experts, including celebrity nutritionist Dr. Frank Lipman, frequently recommend ashwagandha for their older clients who are navigating challenges with fatigue and stress. Many high-profile wellness advocates who are over 60, such as those within the wellness circle of actress Gwyneth Paltrow, have actively popularized adaptogens like ashwagandha to promote balanced energy and enhance sleep quality. While their focus may be on overall well-being, seniors can particularly benefit from its unique capacity to improve leg strength, bolster balance, and cultivate a sense of calm energy that endures throughout the day. Therefore, if you are seeking a method to feel more stable on your feet, experience a greater sense of peace in your heart, and navigate your day with a profound sense of ease, ashwagandha root tea represents an excellent starting point. Its benefits extend beyond mere muscle enhancement. It is about the restoration of physical, mental, and emotional harmony. And it is this harmonious balance that forms the true bedrock of lasting vitality, irrespective of age. In summation, we have explored 3 potent natural teas that possess the remarkable ability to profoundly influence how your legs feel and the extent of your daily energy. Ginger turmeric tea stands out for its capacity to pacify inflammation and enhance blood circulation. Ginseng green tea offers a powerful combination for boosting muscle strength and stamina. And ashwagandha root tea provides a holistic approach by fostering balance, alleviating stress, and supporting restorative overnight recovery. These are not merely warm and comforting beverages. They are accessible daily tools designed to empower you to walk with greater stability, feel demonstrably stronger, and navigate life's journey with increased confidence and diminished discomfort. It is crucial to remember that consistency is the cornerstone of achieving these transformative benefits. A single cup per day, when coupled with gentle physical activity and a positive mental outlook, can pave the way for tangible improvements over time. If you have found this video to be helpful, or if you are considering embarking on a journey to try one of these beneficial teas, we would be genuinely delighted to hear about your experiences in the comments section below. And if you have found this information to be valuable, please do not hesitate to express your appreciation by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. This will ensure you receive a continuous stream of simple, research-backed health tips tailored specifically for you. You unequivocally deserve to experience the feeling of strength once more. Should you have found this video to be of assistance, please make sure to click the like button. Your engagement truly makes a significant difference in supporting the channel's growth. Additionally, remember to subscribe and activate the notification bell, ensuring you never miss out on future informative videos. I am eager to hear your thoughts and insights, so please feel free to leave a comment below and share your perspective. Thank you sincerely for watching, and I look forward to connecting with you in the next video.